Whether you want to get your ex back or you just want to make them regret losing you, keep watching for my top tips to making your ex-boyfriend or girlfriend jealous. Jealousy is a powerful emotion, and it beats logic every time. If your ex is jealous, then they're not going to be thinking about why they ended things. They're not going to be thinking about anything at all except how to get you back. Hi, I'm Jessica Boss. I'm a relationship expert and a breakup coach that spends my time helping single one-on-ones to get their exes back and build the strong relationship they wanted. I've started making videos on YouTube in order to get my message out to all of you. If this advice helps you, please subscribe because I have a very special video coming out soon that you won't want to miss. Let's get into it. Trust me when I say jealousy is your best bet when it comes to recapturing your ex's heart. If you want your ex back, you want them to be jealous. Why is that? A lot of people try to get their ex back through convincing them that they've changed and that there are logical reasons that you should be together. In all my time in this field, I've never seen it work. Love isn't about logic, it's about attraction. You need to start by rebuilding that attraction before you do anything else. And making them jealous is the first step. If they think you're desired and wanted by other people, if they think you're having a great time without them, if they think that you've moved on, then they will feel insecure and begin chasing you. So how do you make this happen? Making your ex jealous is a subtle art.
You just barely can see them. There.
It's all useless if they can't tell that you're doing it on purpose. It won't work. This is why social media is your best friend. Social media gives you the ability to influence your ex without directly contacting them. Here are some ways to make your ex jealous with social media. Start posting. If you don't post often, this breakup is your chance to change that. Don't go crazy, but if you're able to post a new picture or tweet every day, then you're on the right track. Instagram and Snapchat stories are great for this because it's not unusual to post 5 times in a day, and you can even see when your ex checks it. Focus on fun. Keep your posts positive and sunny. It's tempting to try to use subtweets or negative quotes to make your ex feel bad for dumping you. That's not going to get them back. It's only going to reinforce a decision to dump you. And while you're at it, skip the post of you lying on the couch eating Doritos. Keep your posts fun and funny, and your ex will see a new you and start reevaluating how important you really are to them. Improve your appearance. When we get into a relationship, it's pretty common to let ourselves go a little. We don't always make an effort to look our best because we're off the market and we're loved. Well, now's the time to change that. You need to make some changes and improvements to your appearance. Get a new haircut, buy some new clothes, wash your damn face. It doesn't take a lot. You just have to show positive movement despite the breakup. When your ex sees you, they'll have that "who's that" moment for a split second, and that'll catch them off guard. This new you can be whoever you want it to be. Plus, a new haircut is a great excuse to post a picture. Be mysterious. It's tempting to show off every aspect of your life on social media and brag about all the fun you're having when you're trying to make your ex jealous. But I've found my clients have more success when they keep things a little mysterious. If you can make your ex wonder about you, their mind will run wild. This is more effective if they don't know for sure what you're doing or who you're with. This is a great way of influencing them without having to do anything at all. With that in mind, if you use mysterious captions and don't be super obvious about who you're with or what you're doing, it will drive them crazy. Making your ex jealous is just one strategy on the path to getting them back. If you're looking for a more in-depth guide, I recommend going to jessicaboss.com/video. There's a video there by renowned breakup expert Brad Browning that will give you some proven strategies. This guy is the real deal. He's been helping people get their exes back since I was in grade school. Take better selfies. Check this out. These photos prove that you don't have to be a bombshell to take flattering selfies. Your ex was attracted to you before. All you need to do is post photos where you look slightly better than they remember, and they'll be missing that body of yours. Proper lighting is key. Ditch the bathroom mirror. Get a friend to take a photo of you so you can get a better angle. Take a bunch and pick the best one. The idea selfie has a good background. If you're nervous, it's great to post a selfie at an event with friends or doing something fun. Try new things. A breakup is a great chance to try new things. I've covered in depth why this can help get your ex back in other videos, but it's a great way to get out of your comfort zone and stop thinking about the breakup. But these new activities can work double duty. Post photos of yourself trying new things, maybe kayaking, rock climbing, traveling. It can be as simple as going to a new restaurant. If your ex sees you leveling up your hobbies and your life without them, they're going to start thinking about you differently and worry that you're moving on. Photos with attractive people. If you're serious about making your ex jealous, it can help to post pics with attractive people. If they think you might have replaced them with a better model, they're going to be kicking themselves and blow up your phone before you know it. If you can get a quick snap of you standing close to someone attractive with both of you smiling, you're on the right track. Just post the pic on your Instagram story without a caption and they'll fear the worst. Bonus points if they're hotter than your ex. Take breaks. If you post too much, you may actually hurt your chances. In effect, you're weaning them off you by still providing them with updates on your life and giving them a chance to see you, even if it's not directly. This is why you should randomly take a few days off here and there. Make them wonder where you are. If you're suddenly MIA, they may think that your phone is off because you're in bed with someone else. 9 times out of 10, it's when you've been offline for a couple of days that you get a message you've been waiting for. So there it is, some tips and tricks to make your ex jealous on social media. What do you think? What are some ways you've made your ex miss you by posting online? I'd love to read your stories in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel while you're here. I've got plenty of new content coming out that you won't want to miss. Thanks for watching. Bye!